Hey, what's up you guys? Back for another unboxing video. Check it out. Today we're unboxing the Power A wired Advantage controller. This right here is for PC gamers. So what happened with me is I got stick drift. My two of my controllers, they just go up by themselves, what they call stick drift. You can Google that to find out stick drift. But basically it make it not all the way controllable, not real accurate. So I got this, the Power A Advantage wired controller. It's nice Xbox controller. That's what I use. It's got the LED lights all around it right here. Best thing about this thing too, like right on the back, you got the modes, you got different zones, and you got programmable buttons in the front. So you definitely bumpers. And it's got 3.5mm headphone jack. So let's open this baby up and see what we got. As you know, I have a link in the description for here, like always. And it's very affordable, so don't pay a lot of money for a controller. This is all you need. They got tape. All right, let's get this baby open here. Yes, sir. There it is, right there. Open this baby up. That baby's sweet too. Oh yeah, nice and sweet. And you got your cord here. You got a nice 10-foot cord here. That's crazy. So what I'm gonna do, I got my little power station already set up here. I'm gonna just actually plug it up. Right here, got my little, hey, make sure y'all check out the video for that right there, the How Easy Power Station. I got a video on that too. So I'm gonna plug that up right there. Actually get the main event out right there. There it is. Check it out, you guys. Ooh, that's before it's even lit up. You got your programmable bumpers back there, exterior, and you get, right here you got your different levels where you can make your, you got your, and you got your buttons right there where you can make your bumpers tighter. You got your different buttons right there where you can make your bumpers tighter too. Right there. There's the power button in the front right there. So let's plug this baby up. See what we got. Type-C connector right there. Let me turn the light out so you can really see this baby. There we go. Ooh. You got your controllers right there. Your audio jack there, regular standard remote. Feels nice in my hand. Got the bumpers there. You got your Xbox light right here. Light that baby up for your Xbox. It's a wired controller now too, wired controller. You got your side buttons here. Front buttons, so it's got everything an Xbox controller wants. Right here that you need. Programmable, fully programmable. So if you're looking for a computer controller, this is what you want to get this Xbox wired controller. Definitely have the link in the description. You want to make sure you keep it, baby. Righteous.